Let me ask you something. When you hear the words healthy eating, what comes to mind? For most people, it's bland salads, boiled vegetables, or giving up all the foods they enjoy. That's why so many quit after a few days. But here's the truth. Nutrition in 2025 isn't about boring, tasteless meals. It's smarter. It's about foods that fuel your body, sharpen your mind, help you burn fat naturally, and even slow down aging. Today, we'll break down the biggest nutrition trends of 2025, the rise of high-protein vegetables, the gut health revolution, personalized diets, longevity foods that add years to your life, and sustainable eating that protects the planet while making you healthier. And stick with me till the end, because I'll share a full-day smart eating routine you can start today, simple, affordable, and powerful. Protein power, plants that build muscle. Let's start with one of the hottest searches right now, protein-rich foods. Everyone wants to know, what's the best diet for energy and weight loss? The answer, foods that are high in protein. Why? Because protein doesn't just build muscle. It keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps burn belly fat naturally, and you don't need to rely only on meat. Here are some of the most powerful plant-based proteins trending in 2025. Spinach, more than just greens. Rich in protein, iron, and magnesium, spinach boosts oxygen in your blood and fights fatigue. Broccoli, packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Studies show broccoli eaters have lower inflammation. Green peas, light, affordable, and surprisingly loaded with protein, perfect for stamina and recovery. Lentils and chickpeas. These are global staples because they're filling, protein-rich, and loaded with gut-friendly fiber. Quinoa, a complete protein with all essential amino acids. No wonder athletes use it for strength and recovery. Edamame. This young soybean is becoming a go-to snack in 2025, fueling both brain and muscle. Mushrooms, not high protein, but they add that meaty bite and deliver vitamin D for immunity. Imagine replacing one meat-heavy meal with a quinoa and lentil bowl. Not only would you save money, but your body would get protein, fiber, and minerals your muscles crave. That's why searches for high-protein vegetables and natural weight loss foods are skyrocketing. Gut health, the hidden superpower. Here's something most people don't realize. 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. That means your digestion controls more than just bloating. It affects your mood, energy, skin, and even sleep. This is why gut health foods are trending everywhere in 2025. Let's talk about some of the best ones. Oats, rich in beta-glucan fiber that stabilizes blood sugar and feeds good gut bacteria. Garlic and onions, natural prebiotics that act like fertilizer for healthy microbes. Bananas and apples, simple, affordable, and full of prebiotic fiber. Leafy greens like kale and spinach boost microbiome diversity, which is linked to stronger immunity. Beans and lentils, not only protein-rich, but also fuel your gut bacteria to produce short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Yogurt and kefir, probiotic powerhouses, giving your gut millions of good bacteria in every spoon. Think about it. When your gut is healthy, digestion feels lighter, skin clears up, focus sharpens, and energy lasts all day. That's why people are searching for probiotics diet, best foods for gut health, and natural remedies for bloating like crazy. Personalized nutrition, one size doesn't fit all. In the past, diets were copy-paste. Everyone was told to eat the same way. But now, science proves the best diet depends on your body, lifestyle, and even your DNA. That's why personalized diet trends are taking over. For example, a student pulling all-nighters might need brain foods like blueberries, oats, and nuts. An athlete recovers faster with lentils, quinoa, and edamame. Office workers fighting energy crashes benefit from high-fiber snacks like apples or roasted chickpeas. Instead of asking, what's the best diet for everyone, people now search best diet for energy, best foods for focus, what to eat for muscle recovery, and the answers aren't the same for everyone. The key takeaway: listen to your body. Notice which foods give you energy, focus, and better sleep. That's personalized nutrition, longevity diets, and blue zones. If you want proof that food can extend life, look at the blue zones, places where people live past 100. With almost no chronic disease, their secret? Longevity foods. In Okinawa, Japan, purple sweet potatoes are a daily staple, packed with antioxidants that fight aging. In Sardinia, Italy, beans, barley, and olive oil fuel long, active lives. In Costa Rica, black beans, rice, and plantains are eaten daily. The common theme: simple plant-forward meals, beans, leafy greens, whole grains, nuts, and fresh vegetables. People everywhere are searching anti-aging foods, longevity diets, and how to live longer. The answer isn't expensive supplements, it's everyday foods that reduce inflammation, protect your heart, and keep your brain sharp. Smarter, sustainable eating. Another rising trend is sustainable eating. Why? Because people care not just about their health, but also the planet's. When you buy seasonal fruits and veggies, you get fresher nutrients and reduce food waste. When you cook beans, lentils, or oats in batches, you save money, time, and reduce packaging waste. When you shop at local farmers markets, you support your community and eat foods harvested at peak nutrition. Millions of people searching eco-friendly foods and sustainable eating tips are realizing eating better for yourself also means eating better for the planet. A daily smart eating routine. All right, let's put this all together into a simple routine that anyone can start today. Breakfast: overnight oats with banana, chia seeds and almonds, gut health plus protein. Snack: roasted chickpeas or an apple with peanut butter, filling, cheap and packed with fiber. Lunch: quinoa and lentil bowl with spinach, cucumber and tomatoes, the perfect protein combo. Snack: green smoothie with kale, oats and banana, natural energy boost. Dinner: stir-fried broccoli, mushrooms and peas with brown rice, tasty, nutrient-dense and satisfying. Dessert: coconut yogurt with berries, sweet, refreshing, and probiotic-rich. This plan is affordable, flexible, and full of the top nutrition trends for 2025, high-protein vegetables, gut health foods, longevity staples, and sustainable eating. So here's the truth. Smarter eating in 2025 isn't about restriction. It's about unlocking more energy, better focus, stronger immunity, and even adding years to your life. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with small swaps. Add spinach to your lunch, oats to your breakfast, or beans to your dinner. Within weeks, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and sharper. If this video gave you value, smash the like button. Subscribe for more wellness and nutrition tips. And comment your favorite high-protein vegetable: spinach, broccoli, chickpeas, or something else. Let's inspire each other to eat smarter and live better.